Hello everyone! This is a special video where I would like to talk about something that is dear to me. And that's basically the answer to the question, where do I upload all my stuff, all the things that I design and then print. Sure, you are certainly aware of Thingiverse, but that is the old news. The new news is the other side, and to be honest, it's becoming or have already become my number one side, and that's the Prusaprinters, which we can see here. Now, as you know, Prusa is the brand of 3D printers here from Czech Republic, and that is a brand that I'm really loyal to. And this is their basically a thing that could maybe one day completely replace Thingiverse, though that remains to be seen. Now, what can you see here and what you can find here? First things first, on the main page we can see featured prints. Those are the prints that the people from the Prusa will personally take a look, and if they find them interesting or worth showing, they will put them here. I have to say that even few of my models were featured here, so that's something I'm really proud of. Anyway, when we go to the prints, you can see the newest prints, and you can see prints divided into based on what they are per tax and stuff like that. And if you want, there is also this special thing which is contest, sorry, where every now and then they do the contest where as you can see here, now the theme is pens and pencils. So if you design something pencil related, you can basically try to win something. When it comes to what you can actually win, it's filament, it's even printer and stuff like that. You also have different groups here that you can join in. I personally am not a member of any group, but I do see a point in it. They also have their own forum, which is great, and you can deal with quite a lot of stuff here, and there is quite a lot of very good info here. And also you can directly go to the Prusa eShop from here, which also is very appreciated. Well, my own profile is here, and as you can see, all the stuff that I have is here. Uh, One thing that I would like to mention, which is relatively new, is that they actually started with these achievement badges, I guess. And this is something that was really a good idea, something that I really enjoy, and something which I think quite a lot of people will like. It's based on various things, and yeah, it's certainly a good idea. And on top of that, there is also another thing, and those are those Prusa meters. You will get Prusa meters for some stuff which is all described here, and if you achieve certain amount of Prusa meters, you can even get one spool for free, which at least I think is very nice. It also has, of course, communication or messages and stuff like that. Anyway, that was this quick overview of the Prusa printers. I highly recommend you to check it out. I certainly do, and hope you will like it. Okay, that would be all for now. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.